Hi, this is Jacob Ivancha here, and I decided to make this short video because I came across a really interesting business called Banners Broker. Well, Banners Broker can make you money for your online advertising, or it can make you money online, period. Basically, how Banners Broker works, they will go to websites and buy advertising spaces with money that they get from you and me. Then they will go to the advertisers and then sell this advertising space for a profit. And by the end of the term, they will share this profit with you and me. This is basically how Banners Broker works and how you get money. Banners Broker is really a no-brainer, a no on-hands business. You don't need to be very technical clued up, but please do yourself a favor. Go to the link below and also join for free while you check everything out. I wish you all the best and God bless.